Okay, this is how to do an elevator pitch and avoid filler words. So, you're first going to do a 30-second version where you go into the who, what, and how, which is where you look at how you can help X, who, achieve Y, what, by doing Z. How are you going to do it? And then you can phrase it like I help groups and individuals achieve goals or benefits by methods or solutions, or my project addresses a problem by focusing on a specific key approach. The next 60 seconds is going to be your story. You're going to share the inspiration behind your solution and key steps in development. You could say something like, I became interested in this problem when, after exploring other solutions, I realized, and I designed my approach by building on. Then the last 30 seconds is your value. You're going to explain why your project matters and how it can benefit others. Saying this project is valuable because it could be potentially used for, the broader impact of this situation could be, and what sets apart my project is.